Today, for the first time ever, I'm setting up a camping tent in the back of a Cybertruck. Okay, so this is a much cheaper option than the $3,000 Cyber tent, and frankly, I like this one much better. Here it is. It took me a while to set this up for the very first time because it was very windy. The wind has died down now, so this is the end product, and this is the first cut. It can only get better from here. All right, just to show you how well it fits. And this is a Crua Duo. Let's look at the package right here. They don't have a model here, but oh, here it is. They have another liner for this, which I'm looking to buy right now. It is not available anywhere, and it is insulated. They have an insulated liner, and I plan to hit this with like a portable AC and put a refrigerator somewhere here. We plan to go camping in a couple of months, and I'm just getting ready. It fits very nicely in the back of the Cybertruck. This is how clean it looks. Okay, I'm going to show you how I put it up. This is how I tie it down. So as you can see, the front, it goes right into that corner, okay? And you have this first tie down right here. And in the middle, this is the vent. So I tied it down to this this hook. This came originally with the Cybertruck. I need to move it up over here just a little bit. Basically, this pull this thing up for venting. And in the back, it goes right here to another hook, to another tie down point. And conveniently, out front, there is this opening for closing the rear hatch, okay, the rear door. So you just have to put that thing in there. It stays. And we have, this is like a little portico here, and we have one on each side. It goes underneath. Oh, you have to remove this cover as well. This cover used to be right there, okay? And underneath, you just have to turn this thing 90 degrees with a flat screwdriver, and it will come right off. That's a Jola hitch. Just tie these two down. Okay, this side is the same like on the other side. This corner. All right, let's explore the inside. Okay, so all these can come down, and then you have a mosquito screen, and this door also can come out and down. So this is the bed of the Cybertruck. You can put an air mattress here. They sell that online. That would fit the back of the Cybertruck perfectly. Okay, so I don't want to do a Crua Duo tent review because they are better YouTuber doing a much better job than I do, but this is more like a Cybertruck camping tent review. So for this particular tent, which I feel after much research, I think this is the best option besides the Cyber tent, the $3,000 Cyber tent. Okay, and this one is so much better because you don't have to put a semi-permanent structure right there, and then you have to remove panels each time you put it up, and it takes a long time to put up that so-called cyber tent. This one is very quick and easy. The center, you have this hook for LED lights or whatnot. It's big enough for 2 person. This is advertised as a 2-person tent. So this is the back of the Cybertruck, and 2 people will fit here. Vent, and there's another vent up front. I haven't opened it yet, but for real camping, I will open it. Again, this is a Crua Duo, and I'm actively looking to purchase a Culla liner. So this is what the tent looks like after you close up the back. Okay, you have a mosquito net, and this is the door. There's a little, there's also it also came with a piece of liner that will go here, that will stretch out, but I don't think I need to use that on the Cybertruck. On the ground, sure, but not like this. It can go like this, and then the front can come down. Let's take it down. You remove that, and then the whole thing will come down. You have a little nice portico area, like a little porch. I plan to put the refrigerator here, and having a little enclosed area in the back. So this is what it looks like after you drop the rear cover. Okay. Let's look at the truck from the side. There you have it. I will have another video in detail when we are actually camping, and you will see how we do it. This is just the tent. There's still the air mattress, the refrigerator, the air conditioner, the whole 9 yards. And hopefully the ultimate goal is to get the liner, the cocoon that fit perfectly inside of this tent. If and when it's become available, it's nowhere to be found right now, but I'm searching for it every day, pretty much. Let's see how it looks from the front. Not bad. it's time for me to unpack and see if I can squeeze it back into this original bag. Let's hope for the best. Basically, to fold it, you have to lay the tent with a door that side, and then spread it out. You fold it in half. This end goes over that, and then back halfway, and then that end goes over everything, and then you roll it all the way from this side to the rear. The idea is that's the door section, right? The idea is to squeeze out all the air out the door. Okay, that's the idea. I'm going to do it right now, and let's see if we can fit it right back to the original bag. I doubt it very much. Okay, this is the first folding step is done. Like I said, the other end that used to be here went over there. Okay, and you are looking at the base of the tent. This is the surface that will touch the ground or the bottom of the Cybertruck. And then now you take the top piece, this top right here, you fold it back to that edge, just like origami. And after that, this edge go over it. That's the back, and this is the tent that I managed to roll up. I think I can squeeze it a little bit more to fit into the back. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I managed to squeeze everything in the back, the original bag, and small and light package. Now this $164 on Amazon. After 6% taking a 3 days delivery instead of next day delivery, it's the real cost is $155. Now you compare this to the $3,000 Cyber tent. Okay, so who's the winner? Well, it's up to you, but to me, this is the winner. Why? The Cyber tent is not the $3,000. It's not the cost. Is the aggravation of using it. You have a humongous structure, right? Big heavy structure that will be semi-permanently mounted right there. Okay, it takes space out of your truck bed, which is a super no-no. And on top of that, the biggest issue is having to remove the panels. Each time you want to do the tent, you have to remove the panels on top, which is a super no-no for me. I don't want to remove anything because the more you do it, you may break something and it will cost a lot of money to fix. So that is a super no-no for me. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the winner.